Hi there. Did you know that SimplyBook.me comes from Iceland, the land of earthquakes, volcanoes, and glaciers, where we have learned how to keep safe through natural disasters? That is why we always put security first for our clients. The privacy of all internet communication between our users, their clients, and our system is secured by TLS 1.2, which is an updated, more secure version of SSL, and one of the strongest protocols available to date. You can enable double authentication with a verification code using Google Authenticator, and set up password security settings using a dedicated custom feature. You can add your own terms and conditions and a cancellation policy to make sure your clients agree to your terms when they book with you. We monitor our network constantly against any potential threats, including data breaches, adware, hackers, pop-ups, and phishing attempts. On top of that, you can use the Clean History feature to delete all bookings older than a set period to keep your data safe. Please note that most of our security features are free, which means they will not count against the custom feature limit of your plan. The only exception is the Patient Data Protection feature, which is only available to standard and premium subscribers. This feature can be very useful for companies that deal with sensitive client information and need to protect it with enhanced security and access protocols. We follow strict security measures and perform an annual Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act risk assessment to maintain our compliance. SimplyBook.me does not store any credit card information. All payments are processed by external parties such as PayPal, Stripe, etc. This means that your payments are always 100% safe and your payment data remains confidential. Lastly, on top of all the mentioned security measures, we are also GDPR compliant. So you can rest assured that your security is our topmost priority at SimplyBook.me. If you found this video helpful, you can check out other tutorials and tips on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.